ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, കേരള പി എസ് സിയുടെ 2021 ജൂലൈ 2020 ഒക്ടോബർ മാസങ്ങളിൽ നടന്നിട്ടുള്ള എക്സാമുകളുടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ഭാഗങ്ങളാണത്. GST, ഗുഡ്സ് ആൻഡ് സർവീസ് ടാക്സ്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 1. When did the Central Goods and Services Tax Act receive the assent of the President? Option A, 12th May 2017. Option B, 12th April 2017. Option C, 15th April 2017. Option D, 25th May 2017. Correct answer option B, 12th April 2017. Question number 2. As per the Central Goods and Services Act, dash is the full amount a recipient of a supply is required to pay in order to obtain the goods or services, or both, when the recipient and the supplier are not related. Option A, initial value. Option B, final value. Option C, market value. Option D, store value. Correct answer option C, market value. Question number 3. In order for a union territory to be qualified as state under the Goods and Services Act, it should have dash. Option A, legislature. Option B, excise department. Option C, police department. Option D, tax monitoring officials. Correct answer option A, legislature. Question number 4. The period for which the return is required to be furnished as per the Central Goods and Services Act is option A, tax period. Option B, return period. Option C, transaction period. Option D, service period. Correct answer option A, tax period. Question number 5. Government under Integrated Goods and Services Tax Act means option A, state government. Option B, GST council. Option C, local government body. Option D, central government. Correct answer option D, central government. Question number 6. By what name is a person called in the Integrated Goods and Services Tax Act who is a broker, an agent, or any other person who facilitates the supply or services, or both, but does not supply goods or services, or both, on his own account? Answers option A, entrepreneur. Option B, intermediary. Option C, provider. Option D, facilitator. Correct answer option B, intermediary. Question number 7. As per the Goods and Services Tax Compensation Act, transition period means a period of dash years from the transition date. Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option 4. Option C, 4. Option D, 5. Correct answer option D, 5. Question number 8. The Goods and Services Tax Council is established under the article dash of the Constitution. Option A, 259A. Option B, 269A. Option C, 279A. Option D, 289A. Correct answer option C, 279A. Question number 9. How many chapters are there in the Central Goods and Services Act? Option A, 21. Option B, 11. Option C, 19. Option D, 13. Correct answer option A, 21. Question number 10. Who is not an officer for the purpose of Central GST Act? Option A, Principal Chief Commissioner of Central Tax. Option B, Joint Commissioner of Central Tax. Option C, Deputy Commissioner of Central Tax. Option D, Accountant General of Central Tax. Correct answer option D, Accountant General of Central Tax. Question number 11. Supply under Central GST Act 2017 includes dash if it is made for a consideration by a person in the course or furtherance of business. Answer, sale, transfer and barter. Question number 12. A registered person can opt for composition levy if his aggregate turnover in the preceding financial year did not exceed dash rupees. Answer, 1.5 crore. Question number 13. What is the time of supply of service for the liability to pay tax when invoice date is 12/12/2019? Date of provision of service is 1/1/2020 and the recipient shows the receipt of service as 1/3/2020 in his book of accounts. Answer 12/12/2019. Question number 14. For input tax credit, a registered person has to furnish return under dash of Central GST Act. Section 39. Answer section 39. Question number 15. The person who are liable for registration under CGST Act are defined in chapter. Correct answer 6. Chapter 6. Question number 16. GST registration is not compulsory for dash. Answer casual non-taxable person making non-taxable supply. Question number 17. GST registration can be cancelled if return has not been furnished for a continuous period of dash. Correct answer 6 months. Question number 18. Tax invoice has to include dash in accordance with the Central GST Act. Answer description of goods, value and quantity of goods, and tax charged. Question number 19. A person who is not registered is prohibited from collection of GST as per section dash in the Central GST Act. Correct answer section 32. Question number 20. A supplementary invoice can be issued for under CGST Act. Answer debit note. Question number 20. A supplementary invoice can be issued for dash under CGST Act. Correct answer debit note. Question number 21. A GST registered person is required to retain the books of accounts until the expiry of dash months from the due date of furnishing annual return. Correct answer 72 months. Question number 22. The value of supply exclude dash. Answer discount given before or at the time of supply and recorded in the invoice. Question number 23. Which of the following is included for computation of taxable supplies for the purpose of availing credit? Correct answer 0 rated supplies. Question number 24. A person liable to pay tax on 1/9/2017 and obtain registration on 15/9/2017. Such a person is eligible for input tax credit on. Correct answer 31/8/2017. Question number 25. Registered person may not issue tax invoice if value of goods or services or both supplied is less than. Answer 200 rupees. Question number 26. If the taxable value or tax charged in the invoice issued is less than the taxable value or tax payable in respect of such supply or goods are returned by the recipient or goods supplied are found to be deficient, the registered supplier may issue to the recipient dash. Answer 1 or more debit notes for supplies made in a financial year. Question number 27. A registered person shall retain book of accounts until the expiry of dash from the due date for furnishing of annual return for the year. Correct answer 72 months. Question number 28. Every registered person who has been communicated details pertaining to inward supplies shall accept or reject the details so communicated on or before dash day of the month succeeding the tax period. Correct answer 17th day and not before 15th. Correct answer 17th day and not before 15th. Question number 29. Every registered person other than certain special categories paying tax shall furnish the details of inward supply of goods or services or both, including that of on which tax is payable on reverse charge basis and those taxable under IGST Act etc. and credit or debit notes received in respect of such supplies during a tax period. Correct answer after 10th but before 15th. Question number 30. Composition levy registered person shall furnish return for each quarter within dash days after each quarter. Correct answer 18 days. Question number 31. Every registered taxable input service distributor shall furnish return. Answer: within 13 days after the end of each month. Question number 32. Every registered person who is required to furnish return except input service distributor shall pay tax due as per the return. Answer: not later than the last date on which he is required to furnish return. Question number 33. Rectification of return furnished shall not be allowed after dash. Answer: due date for furnishing of return for the month of September or second quarter following the financial year to which pertains, or actual date of furnishing or relevant annual return, whichever is earlier. Question number 34. Every registered person other than certain specified category of persons shall furnish an annual return for every financial year on or before dash. Answer: 31st day December following the end of financial year. Question number 35. Every registered person whose registration has been cancelled shall furnish a final return within which period? Answer: 3 months from the date of cancellation or 3 months from the date of order of cancellation, whichever is later. Question number 36. Notice for non-furnishing of all type of returns shall be issued within. Answer: 15 days. Question number 37. Maximum late fee for delay in furnishing annual return is. Answer: 25% of turnover. Question number 38. The amount of input tax credit available in the electronic credit ledger on account of integrated tax shall be used in which order? Answer: integrated tax, central tax, state tax or union territory tax. Question number 39. Interest rate for delayed payment of tax does not exceed. Answer: 18%. Question number 40. Maximum interest rate for undue or excess reduction in output tax liability or undue or excess claim in input tax credit by a taxable person is. Answer: 24%. Question number 41. TDS is to be deducted when the total contract value exceeds. Answer: 2.5 lakh. Question number 42. Suppose A who has registration in Kerala supplies goods to B whose registration is in Tamil Nadu to his shop in Kerala. What is the TDS rate? Answer: nil. Question number 43. TDS deducted is to be paid to government within dash days after the end of the month of TDS collection. Correct answer: 10. Question number 44. Which is the maximum amount of late fee for delay in furnishing TDS certificate? Correct answer: 5,000 rupees. Question number 45. Application for refund of tax or interest is to be filed before the expiry of dash from the relevant date. Correct answer: 2 years. Question number 46. In case of offences like tax has not been paid or short paid or erroneously refunded or input tax credit has been wrongly availed or utilized for any reason other than reason of fraud or any willful misstatement or suppression of facts to evade tax shall be liable for penalty of. Answer: rupees 10,000 or equal to 10% of the tax due from such person, whichever is higher. Question number 47. General penalty for contravenance of any provision for which no provision is provided in the Act may extend to. Answer: rupees 25,000. Question number 48. In GST Compensation to State Act 2017, which is the base year for calculating compensation amount payable in any financial year? Answer: 31st March 2016. Question number 49. Transition date in respect of any state means. Answer: the date on which state GST of that state come into force. Question number 50. compensation payable to state shall be calculated at what period? Answer, at the end of every 2 months period and for every financial year after receipt of final revenue figures. Question number 51. GST Compensation to States Act 2017 enforceable with effect from? Answer, 1/7/2017. Question number 52. CGST rule come into force with effect from 22nd June 2017. Question number 53. Which one of the following is not included in the export of services? Answers, option A, supplies located outside India. Option B, supplies located in India. Option C, the place of supply outside India. Option D, the recipient located outside India. Correct answer, option A, supplies located outside India. Question number 54. Which does not include interstate supply? Location and place of supply are in option A, 2 different states. Option B, 2 different union territories. Option C, a state and a union territory. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer, none of the above. Question number 55. A sells certain items to B with warranty of quality and B sells it to C with a similar warranty. But the goods prove to be not according to the warranty and hence B becomes liable to pay C compensation. What is the compensation to B by A? Answer, the amount given as compensation to C by B. Question number 56. Tax liability on mixed supplies shall be treated as supply of? Answer, supply of one which attracts highest rate of tax. Question number 57. Which section of the GST Act deals with power to grant exemption from tax? Answer, 11. Question number 58. Receipt of goods or services or both, whether by purchase, acquisition or any other means with or without consideration is called? Answer, inward supply. Question number 59. Maximum tax percentage under composition levy is? Correct answer, 2.5%. Question number 60. Which section of CGST Act 2017 deals with the inspection of goods in movement? Correct answer, 68. Question number 61. Which section explains e-way bill rules? Correct answer, 138. Question number 62. Every registered person who cause movement of goods of consignment exceeding the threshold limit has to furnish information relating to the goods in? Answer, Part A, Form GST EWB 01. Question number 63. In cases other than over-dimensional cargo, an e-way bill is valid for? Answer, 1 day up to 100 km and 1 additional day for every 100 km and part thereof thereafter. Question number 64. Inspection and verification of goods is dealt in which section of GST rule? Answer, 138C. Correct answer, 138C. Question number 65. Which one of the following does not require an e-way bill? Answers, option A, kerosene oil sold under PDS. Option B, currency. Option C, postal baggage by Department of Post. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 66. In lieu of tax invoice, invoice reference number received by uploading invoice in dash is valid for carrying in conveyance. Answer, Form GST INV 01. Question number 67. Demand and recovery of amount payable is in which chapter of GST Rule 2017? Answer, 18. Question number 68. Which section of IGST Act deals with TDS? Answer, 20. Question number 69. Which section of GST Act dealt with compulsory registration of persons who are required to deduct tax under section 51? Answer, 24, subsection 6. Answer 24 subsection 6. Question number 70. Which section of GST Act deals with tax collected but not paid to government? Correct answer 76.